Welcome back to Low Buck Builds. In today's video, we're going to put some new mirrors on the Jeep TJ, so stay tuned. I should have been a fishing YouTuber. So I've been wanting to pick up another set of mirrors so I can have mirrors whenever my doors are off. I had a set of these back in the past on my YJ, and I really liked them. These run about 25 bucks, and what's nice is if you tear them up on the trail, they're cheap to replace. So these are a sponsored product. They were sent to me. These are the exact ones that I did have on my Jeep YJ, and we're gonna go ahead and do a quick unboxing, and we'll get them on the Jeep and show you what they look like. All right, let's see what comes in the box. Wow, we actually have instructions. They're pretty simple to put together, but hey, at least we can see if we have everything. All right, let's go through it. We got 2 mirrors. These are a little smaller than the ones I had on the YJ, but still sufficient. And we got our 2 bars. And there should be hardware somewhere. Oh, okay, the hardware is in the bag with the mirrors. So I think the first thing we're going to do is quickly assemble the mirrors. Then we'll get the door off the Jeep and we'll put this on. So let's go to it. It looks like it's pretty self-explanatory here. So these are pretty easy to assemble. You got your L-shaped bar and your hardware. Pull this out so you actually see. L-shaped bar, your hardware pack, and you got your like flat bar with what looks like about a 45 on it. You're going to take off your nut and washers off the mirror. You're going to take the L bar and you're going to insert it into the 45. Line those 2 up, insert it over the mirror. Then you're going to go flat washer, lock washer, and then your nut. And this is a 9/16 nut. We're going to tighten this hand tight, and I don't want to tighten anything permanently yet because I want to be able to adjust it if I need to. So that's going to get us to where we're ready to take the door off the Jeep and install this on the Jeep. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything ready to shoot that, and I'll be right back. All right, so our first step of removing the door on a Jeep TJ, so we got to remove this bottom nut here. There's not one on this hinge, so then we can just raise it up and out. So I'm going to go ahead and get a wrench. I'll tell you what size it is here in a second, get set up, and we'll get it off. All right, so the wrench size is a 1/2 inch. We're going to go ahead and just loosen this up and take it off. Or drop it in the floor somewhere. We'll find it later. So now we got the nut off, we're going to go ahead. I'm going to show you guys real quick. We're going to go ahead and remove the strap. So just bring the door in, grab it, pull up. And make sure you don't have any wires going between here and there. So let me put you back on a stand and we'll see if this will lift off. All right, let's see if this will come off easy. Whoa, and it does. Awesome. So I'm gonna set this back out of the way. All right, we're gonna grab our mirror, real simple. Insert it there. Then we'll grab our hardware. All right, so we got our little rubber washer first. Then our lock washer, and then our nylock. And again, this is 9/16. I might have to get a deep well socket for it. All right, 9/16. And then I'm going to hand tighten the back of the mirror. We're not gonna go crazy. Boom, just like that. And then I just got this tight, but we're gonna actually hand tighten it. Don't go nuts on it. It's a 9/16, so we grab a wrench. So this is where you would get in and adjust it where you want it. Then use your wrench to tighten it good and snug. And you can adjust the mirror where you want it. So we got it installed. So let's take a look at the overall of the Jeep. And we'll come in on the mirror. Very nice. Looks really good. And what's nice about that is now you have the door off and you have mirrors that you can still use. I do a lot of trail riding by myself, so it's valuable to have mirrors on the side because I don't have a second person to get out and take a look. So anyway, there's our mirror. They are good and solid, but still adjustable. I would adjust them, then tighten them by hand. So that's going to wrap up this video. I'm only going to do this side because I'm going to put the door right back on after shooting this video. It is almost Thanksgiving. It's November, so it's winter. I'm actually getting ready to put the top back on. So yeah, I mean, for 25 bucks, they're solid. They work. I've used them on my YJ, as I said in the past. I really like them. And if you hit a limb or something, knock them off, you know, extras are 25 bucks. So you can't beat that. So thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, then go ahead and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, you might like the one above where I install mirrors on the half doors on this Jeep.